What's going on, you guys? This is Tech HD coming at you with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the multi-mounts from Elgato Gaming. So if you guys aren't familiar with what the multi-mounts are, it's a modular rigging system, and you can mount a camera, lights, microphone, a phone, and more with this, and you could just clamp it onto the desk, or you could get the weighted base, which I have right here, and it could go on top of the desk or it could go on the floor, and this could be used for streaming and making videos. So I got two multi-mounts, each goes for around 50 bucks, and the weighted base, which goes for around 40 bucks, and I'm going to be using these to mount my streaming cameras and replace my tripods. So if you guys don't know, I do stream on Twitch, so if you want to check it out, it's twitch.tv/tech_hd1, and I do have two different camera angles in the stream, one when I'm playing and one for when I'm in intermission, and they are both mounted onto tripods and they aren't sturdy at all. And I want to eventually turn my L-shaped desk into a motorized standing desk, so I do need to get the tripods off the ground and to make it more sturdy for when the desk moves, so that's why I got the multi-mounts. So let's unbox these, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I have it all set up, and if you guys are interested in this, I'm going to have everything linked down in the description below. So first, let's take a look at what comes in the box. Taking a look at the multi-mount box, you have the quick start guide and you get the multi-mount all set up. Looking at the top, you have the two knobs to loosen so you can extend the multi-mount, and the 1/4 inch ball head to mount a camera or a microphone or a light or anything else that you want to mount. On the bottom, you have the clamp to mount it onto the desk, and now taking a look at the weighted base, you get the quick start guide, some screws, and two Allen keys, and the weighted base, which is all metal and has a rubber bottom and weighs around 10 pounds. To remove and install the base is actually very simple. First, you want to use the Allen key provided to remove the screws that the clamp is using. Then you want to add the screws to the base and align it to the bar and start to screw it in. After that, you are all set. Now, I wanted to show you guys first how I currently have my camera set up. So you can see that I have camera angle 2 set up on the side, and I use it for intermission, and I have it set on a tripod, and it's right behind the desk, and the legs are extended all the way to the ground. Then you can see the camera angle 1 being right behind the monitors, and it's also on a tripod, and those legs are on the desk, but it's not that stable. I also have a ring light mounted, so there's a little bit extra weight on that. The way that I wanted to set it up is I would use the multi-mount with the base for camera angle 1 and the ring light, and just have it be on top of the desk, and that will be enough weight to hold and balance everything. Then I'll use the multi-mount with the clamp for camera angle 2, and that'll be perfect, so now I won't have any cameras touching the floor, and they are much more sturdy and won't move, so when I turn my desk into a motorized desk, the cameras will just go with the desk and not fall. Alright, you guys, so now after you saw that little montage of me setting up the multi-mounts and all, I just want to break down and show you guys the angle that I have for when I'm actually streaming. So right now I have my Panasonic GH5 on the ring light, and this is on the multi-mount with the weighted base, and it's right behind the monitors, and this is how it is in the shot, and you can see that I have the gameplay as well as I have the camera, and this is the angle, as well as I do have my Panasonic S1H, so that you could see, so that I could show you guys how it is in a wider field of view, and to actually show you guys how the setup actually looks. And then if we transition over to the second angle is using my Panasonic G7, and then this is with the 12mm, so much more wide angle, and this is more for intermission style. And then this one's using the multi-mount with the clamp, and the clamp is just on the table and stuff like that, and it works perfectly fine. You can see the camera right there getting the wide angle shot, and honestly I really love it, you know, transitioning from tripods and using the multi-mounts. The multi-mounts are much more better quality, they're like metal material, so that's really good. And then the weighted base is ridiculous. That thing is 10 pounds. That thing is not moving at all. It's able to hold the ring light and the camera no problem, probably a little bit more extra weight as well, so that's really good. One of the things that I will say though is that any type of vibrations, or like if I'm getting really mad or something and I hit the table or anything like that, since it's clamped onto the table, any of that type of vibration goes onto the camera and it shakes, and you can see like I'm just tapping onto the table, and you can see that it just shaked a little bit of the camera. And same thing on the GH5 with the weighted base. So like I would like a little bit more of suspension, but I can't really think of an idea on how to do that. Kind of like with a microphone with a shock mount, you know. but like it's kind of difficult to think of a way how to do it with the camera. I didn't really have that problem with the tripods, but because they weren't on the actual table, I mean the other one was, but this one wasn't. Now that this is clamped and now this is steady, I can't imagine how it's gonna be if I were to bring the tables up and stuff like that. But overall, I really like the quality of it, and it makes it look so much more cleaner. It makes it look so much more professional. It looks really cool. So I'm gonna transition back over to the main one, but let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you guys are curious or have any questions regarding the material of it, regarding the setup, you know, regarding it could be used for anything really, for a camera, for light, for microphone, for anything really. They have a whole list of what it could be used for, and the multi-mount, you know, has that ball head, so you could angle it however you want, as well as you could get the weighted base. You could just use the clamp. You could also get an arm, so you could get an overhead shot. It's just really creative and really like stupidly easy to just come up with, and Elgato is the only one that really came up with this type of idea for streaming and for content creation in general. So it's really interesting. They're like the only ones that really thought of it, and I really like that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like I said, I do stream on Twitch, twitch.tv/tech_hd1. So if you guys do want to check it out, I do play a lot of FPS games like Warzone, definitely Call of Duty, Apex, and a little bit of Fortnite, Rainbow Six Siege, stuff like that. So if you guys do want to check out my stream, it'll be linked down in the description below as well. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys do have any questions or concerns, let me know down in the comments below, as well as everything will be linked down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that you guys could be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitch. As always, TechHD. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!